Welcome to the warm-up and workout query set for the union clause. Let us start by using the classic models database. Once we use the classic models database, please pause this video and take some time to attempt the following three queries. Okay, hopefully you have successfully attempted these queries. Let us start going through them. The first query asks you to list the names of customers who've placed at least 10 orders and the names of customers who have a credit limit between $10,000 and $25,000. Now, you are asked to answer this question using the union clause. So, in this case, we have two queries whose results we want to bring together using the union clause. So, I shall start off by saying select customer name from customers. I'm going to join the orders table. I'm going to attempt the first part of this query, names customers who place at least 10 orders. So I'm going to join the orders table on customers.customer number is equal to orders.customer number. I'm going to group by customer name having count of order number greater than 10. This is a query that gives me the two customers who placed at least 10 orders. Now, I want to union the results of this query with the second query, which asks me to select the customer name from the customers table where the credit limit of the customer is greater than 10,000 and the credit limit is less than $25,000. And so this gives us the following 6 results. Again, please note that the results of these queries are independent of each other and not dependent on each other. The results are brought together using the union clause. Another thing to note using the union clause is that if both of these queries return a set of common rows, the rows will only show up once. The second one, to write a query to list the order number of orders whose fourth character is a 3 and order number of orders whose status is cancelled. Again, we can take this one query at a time. I shall be selecting order number from the orders table where order number. Now, for me to find the fourth character, I'm going to use the regular expression. And I'm going to say starts with 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth character has to be a 3. And so if I run this, I see that I have 30 rows returned where the fourth character is a 3. But this is not the only query result I want. I also want orders whose status is cancelled. And so I'm going to union this with and this gives me 36 rows. And so I have orders whose status is cancelled and also orders whose fourth character is a 3 in the order number. And let's take a look at the last query. Write a query to list out the names of products that are from the product line ships and the names of products whose MSRP is greater than 2.5 times the buy price of the product. So, to attempt this query, you shall say select product name from the products table where the product line is equal to ships. This gives us This gives us 9 rows, 9 records. And I'm going to union this with select product name from products where the MSRP, the retail price of the product, is greater than 2.5 times the purchase price or the buy price. And so now I get 10. So obviously it seems like in this case the Chevy Impala is the product that meets the second criteria over here. And so we see that the purpose of union clause is just to add the results of two queries together. Now, the use of the union clause is not very common, but if you find yourself in a circumstance where you have to take two queries and you have to bring the results of those two queries together, please keep in mind the union clause that can help you accomplish this. That concludes the warm-up and workout video for the union clause. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much.